Hello my friends, this is Sheree. How's everyone doing today? Welcome to my channel. I'm here today to share some BB Craft goodies that I picked up. I am collaborating with them again and picked out some different items than I've ever picked up before, except for the Cabachons, which I have picked up before, but this is a different design. So anxious to see what those look like in person. So I opened up the package. It came in a bubble envelope, and these two were wrapped in a plastic that so I took that off because it's, you know, the kind that you have to break through with something sharp and take it off, and so that didn't delay the video. So let's just get started. I've got 4 things, and so this is the first just unboxing video to see what these things look like, and then I'll do 2 more videos to demonstrate these items, and I will have all the links to these products listed below, as well as a link to bbcraft.com website and a coupon code for you, which will be, I think it's 10% off your entire order. So look for that below if you're interested in any of these products, or if you just want to, if you've never heard of BB Craft, and or maybe you've been seeing videos and you want to check it out. Just use my link if you wouldn't mind, because then they know that you came from my videos, and then you know, I get credit for that, and they let me continue demonstrating their products, so it all works out well. Let's just dump these out in here, because I'll just keep them in here when and now I have a nice little Ziploc bag. But look how pretty these are. I've never picked up bubblegum beads before, and that's specifically what I was looking for. I wanted to try these. I want to use these either like in bead dangles. You could use them in, like, if you make a keychain, like a little keychain, a beaded keychain, or tassels, things like that. And look at these, they're so so beautiful. And that's why I picked out these colors, because I just thought, you know, I wanted an assortment of colors. So I picked out, I have another one here to show you too. So I picked out these colors specifically because it was an assortment of colors and not all the same bead. There's so many different ones in here. It's hard to get them all in my hand probably. So many different ones. Let me see, did I have them all? Now I think that, let's see, here's one more. I don't have this one. When I say I think that I do, then I find another one. Here's another one that I don't have in my hand yet. Oh no, that's white. It looked like a different color with the light shining. Okay, I think I have them all now. So here's all the different colors. Look at these, have these are like beads on there, like little, almost, if you know what diamond painting is, it's almost like those little diamond painting beads. Very beautiful, sparkly. This is you know, you can see through it, but it's a color, and it's like faceted, you know, so it sparkles in the light too. And then you see all the different colors. These spots on here are indented. The hole is right here, so this is the size of the hole in these. Let's see, I think they all pretty much have the same size hole, as you can see there. So very beautiful. These are light green. This is a sparkly one here. It looks like it has something in there. I don't know what is, you know, how this is made, but it looks like there's something in there that makes it sparkle. Maybe you can see it in the camera, but all very beautiful. This one has like the beads on it too. This one does, and this one does. Like, oh, did I show you this one already? All different colored beads. The stripes, the green, yellow, white, kind of a aqua, blue, green there, more blue. So very beautiful, and I've got a bunch of those, as you can see, so I'll be able to do a lot with those. And look, I have this nice, I hope I can get it. Yeah, it closes nicely. So I'll be able to keep those in there. And then let's go on to the next thing. Oh, this came with, I think this is a necklace kit. Actually, it's called a necklace kit. Like I said, I'll have the products linked below, specific links for each product. So if you want to look at that specific product, click on that link from my description box and you'll be able to see the title, you know, all the different details and information about the product, the price, the what is exactly called, and its description and everything. See, I think this is wrapped around where I could get it, open it, but I'm not seeing it at the moment. So let me go ahead, or wait a minute, I think I got it right here, maybe. I'd like to keep it in here, that's why I'm not cutting it. I'd like to keep it in here for the moment, at least. Yeah, it's a little bag with a sticky flap. Okay, so what, oh, well, there's a bunch of silver beads in here. Let me leave my scissors there. They all got caught on my scissors just about. There's one over here, one escapee. Let me get that one. And here's another escapee. Let me get that one. So these are little silver beads. I actually do love using these for in between bigger beads, like a bead spacer almost. They make, if you have little silver beads and you don't know what to do with them, like maybe you bought them to make a bracelet or something. If you have extras, they make great. And these have nice big holes in them too. Not really tiny holes. Not big, but you know what I mean, not tiny. So anyway, great bead spacers. There's more in here, so I'm going to try to keep the rest in here. Here's some, let's see what kind of wire this is. This is actually wired, you know, like a wire. This is actually a wire. So I can use this too in my, you know, making a bead dangle or whatever. It's a nice thin wire. It looks like it's coated with, you know, a coated wire, like with clear plastic, or maybe that's just on the end. But yeah, there's the wire. And then there is some chain in here, looks like. This would be, you know, the necklace where you attach it. And oh yeah, there's a little lobster claw clasp in here, right here. And then, let's see, there's another piece of chain. So yeah, this is for actually a necklace kit. Oh, there's another lobster claw clasp in here. So you get a lot, and there's a lot of beads in here too. As you can see, there's a bunch still in here. And then all the ones that I spelled out right there. So you get everything you need to make a necklace, but you just would need your tools, little jewelry tools, if you need I wonder if there's a jump ring in here. Let's see what's on the end of this. I guess you could, yeah, there's a jump ring on the end of the chain. I was going to say you need a jump ring to attach the lobster claw clasp right there, and then you would put your beads over the wire, and then you attach the wire here into the other end of the, you know, the attachment, which is the chain plus the jump ring plus the lobster claw clasp. And this is the same. The other piece of chain has a jump ring on it. So you just need your little tool so you can open the jump ring and, you know, put it all together. So if you're wanting to learn how to make jewelry, these little kits are great because they come with everything you need. They have lots of kits. I've bought kits from BB Craft too, bracelet kits, earring kits. And if you get that little kit, you have everything you need to make whatever you want to make. And you can use the extras to make bead dangles and things. So, and they're really good prices. So, yeah, if you wanted to learn how to make jewelry, these little kits are great for that. Because you just have everything you need. All you need is your tools. Okay, let's look at these Cabachons next. And these little boxes are quite sturdy. Piece of tape there. Let me get rid of that. Let's see. I got my trash right over here. Okay, so in here, again, a little Ziploc bag. And I'm going to dump these out so we can see the designs. And these are pretty big. They're actually, I'm going to measure, oh, there's some square ones in here too. I don't know if I realized that. That's going to be interesting because I don't have any square metal pieces. So, we've got the circles and the squares and all these different designs, and you can see how many are in here. all the different, I got these because they were quite different, and there's some hearts in here that I can maybe use for Valentine's Day, but hearts are also generic, you know, you can use them all year round, and all of these are just a pretty design that you can use any time of year. Like here's a flower, here's an eye, it looks like an eye, and this pretty green square one. So yeah, these are going to be fun to use. And let me measure. I was thinking they're an inch, but let me just measure and make sure they're an inch or exactly what. Because yeah, they look a little bit bigger than an inch. They're about 1 1/8, I would say. It looks like to me 1 1/8. So yeah, that's going to be quite interesting and fun to work with. So I got, you can see, just a ton of those. Okay, and then the next box is a plastic bag here. And these are also, I like to keep things in the, you know, in the container they come in usually. So that's why I don't just cut it open. I just kind of try to open it with the packaging and keep it. So let me see. This is a little, it's a Ziploc, but it's a little, there we go. I got it. Very sturdy, as you can see. And this comes, you know, in this like Ziploc. And then in here, this is another kit with the bubblegum beads. So we have this part in a bubble envelope. And this is the little like stretchy string, you know, that you can use. And I mean, you can make a bracelet or a necklace, whatever you want with this kit. And then in here, a Ziploc bag. And let me see. Let me get this little, so I don't roll all over the place, a bunch of beads here. And these have, they're similar to the others, but they're different colored. Like so, and they're very different colors as far as what is actually in here. Just if you just look at the ones in here, they're very different from each other. So I can mix and match these if I want to. These are a little bigger. These are like little clear but faceted beads. Again, here's the hole. These have a bigger hole in them. This one does anyway. Have a bigger hole in the middle. Oh, these have about the same as the other package. That hole there. But let's see the different colors. This is similar to the other one with the different colored beads on it. And let's see. So all the colors that I have in here are, and oh, there's so many more. Let me just show you this handful. And then I will show you another handful because there's still some in here that are different colors. This, I did want some of these red and white ones, or orange and white, actually. These are orange and white, but I wanted some of these. So that's kind of why I picked out this, all the different colors, plus these orange and white ones. Let's see. So here's the other one, the colors. So they have a similar blue, but not the same. See, this is a lighter blue than anything that's in here. And then they have, in here, there's this blue, sorry, there, and see it's different from anything in this one. And there's a pearly one, a pearlesque one. Look at that. It looks like an opal, kind of with the different shades of like rainbow. When you hold it in a light, it looks like, you know, rainbow shades, like a prism almost, but it's white, pearly looking. So yeah, that's different. This is just white in here. So here's one that's all kind of silvery. Let me get it in the camera. Look how it sparkles. So that is in this one. And also, so this is a kit again, necklace or bracelet, whatever it's called. You can click the link and get the exact title. But in here, there's also these little 4 of these, it looks like, little charms, little rainbow charms. So, yeah, great for all types of things. Bead dangles, again, tassels, you know, just whatever you want to do with them. You don't have to use a necklace kit for a necklace, or a, I can't believe these were all in here, there's so many, or a bracelet kit for bracelets. I mean, I usually, I have made earrings with the earrings kit, and then I use the rest for making, you know, bead dangles, and which is whatever I want. So there's that package. And the last package is called waxed cord. So I kind of wanted to see what this was for binding my journals, but also making, you know, I can also make a keychain with this, with these. And there's lots of different colors in here. Let me show you, because I probably won't take them all out of here. Well, see, there's 12 different colors. So all of these colors. So let's take a couple out here. Let's see what we have and what exactly this is made out of, if we can tell. So this is a darker pink. This is a lighter pink. This is like a very hot pink. It almost looks like red. But here's the red. This is red, pink, and darker pink. So you can see it's a really wide variety of colors. This is, of course, like a lime green, and this is an off-white or beige. Let me see if I can pull a piece of this out so I can see. Oh, I'm trying to see. It's waxed cord, they call it. You know, and I use waxed thread to bind my journals, and I've also used it to make keychains. You know, so many uses. So I really wanted to see what this was, because the price was so good. I was like, what is this? This looks really like it would be great for binding a journal. And it really would. So it feels like, yeah, it does feel like thread. It almost, when you look at it, let me show you if I can show you what I'm talking about. I don't know if it shows up in the camera, but it looks kind of shiny. So when I first look at it, it's like, oh, it looks like plastic cord, you know, plastic cording that you make things with. But when you undo it and you feel it and you look at it a little closer, especially when you feel it, you can feel that it is like a thick thread, but not, you know, not a thread, a cord, like a threaded cord, like a twine, I guess I could say, a twine. And then, but it's coated like with the wax. So it's called waxed cord. This is very interesting. I've never used anything exactly like this before. It's so strong, so it's going to be great for your journal and for binding a journal, but also so strong for making, you know, it's not going to break if you, I mean, I guess you have to, depending on the beads you use, you could use this to make a bracelet and it would be super strong. It wouldn't be stretchy, so you'd have to have a clasp. It's not stretchy, but yeah, you could use it to make a bracelet, a necklace, whatever you want, as long as you have a clasp. And also bead dangles, or even you could use it in a tassel or binding a journal. So yeah, I wanted some different colors, because I know I have a lot of colors, but they're all kind of, I'm going to call them neutral for the waxed thread that I use for my journals. So I thought these have so many different colors. I mean, you're never going to find waxed thread in this color. You know what I mean? So I thought these could be really fun for binding journals in a different color. You know what I mean? So yeah, that's awesome. This is great. And like I said, 12, I think it was 12 spools, and there's a lot on here. Let me try to show you. I don't know if you can see, but there is a lot on here. Let me show you in a darker color. In this red, you can see the end of the spool here. See how much is on there? That's a lot. So anyway, I'm looking forward to using these products and showing you how I'm going to use them. And I hope you enjoyed my unboxing. And I'll see you in my next video. So have a great day.